Virgin Galactic collapse. Stock going to zero. We're going to discuss it in a very brief video here, but it is very concerning. I'm going to tell you exactly why I think the price is going down, where I see it going, and where it's going to go, most importantly, tomorrow on the live flight. Okay, as we look today, we are seeing Virgin Galactic collapsing. The stock price is going down quite dramatically. It's not looking at all good. Why is this happening? Where's it going? Let's discuss it. Now, yesterday on the show, if you click above my head, you'll see how we had a full interview with a large YouTuber who has a lot of investment in Virgin Galactic, and you can get a full insight on that interview where we see the stock price going. It was a full in-depth discussion on Virgin Galactic with some very interesting chart information. Go and check that out. But why Virgin Galactic is going down, I've just checked the SEC filings. There is no SEC filings yet for the remainder of the dilution. So it isn't that. So what is happening? Well, as we know, that Virgin Galactic will always amplify what the markets are doing upwards and downwards. And the last couple of days, it's been holding up pretty well. But what has happened this morning is the jobless report has come in. More people are actually working now than was hoped. Of course, it's good that everybody gets a job, but we were hoping for a pause on the Fed rate. It now looks more likely it's going to be a rate hike again, which is potentially curtains for Virgin Galactic. What do I mean by that? Well, the jobless, there's less people unemployed. A much bigger number today was reported that are now in work, and we've got oil climbing up pretty quickly, which means inflation is more likely to go back up again, which means the Fed are more likely to raise rates, which means Virgin Galactic could struggle to service their debts. It doesn't matter how good the company is. However, what is happening right now is a reaction to that news. It doesn't mean to say that Virgin Galactic is going to go bust and it's all over. But what it does mean is people are selling out of Virgin Galactic very, very quickly today. They're getting out. Now, of course, we've got the flight tomorrow. Click above my head and you can join us for the flight. Now, many other media outlets aren't covering the Virgin Galactic flight. They've given up. Numbers are going down. When we first reported it, we had 23,000. The next time it was around about the sort of, I think, 8, 9, 10,000. And it's going down. Everybody is losing interest with Virgin Galactic. It's not getting the celebrity flights we'd hoped for yet. That's not until the end of the year. But people are impatient. So not many people are covering it. So it's not going to get the attention tomorrow, but we are covering it. We've always been here for you. I've always been here when it's up, when it's down, all the rest of it. I'm losing money just like everybody else. I am down currently $1,400 and climbing as we speak right now in this position. But I'm going to be here tomorrow because what we've got right now is we've not got dilution. If there was, we'd have SEC filings. I don't have it. What we do have is a reaction to the jobless and the potential chance for the Fed to hike the rates again. And that is a very, very dangerous thing for Virgin Galactic. If that happens and we do get a rate hike, and I'm hoping that we won't, and I've been saying that we should have had a pause last time. All we need to do is hold the rates high. It does the same damage but it does give businesses the chance to stabilize and kind of focus and budget, if you like, where we're going. It's the uncertainty that the markets don't like. So because of the uncertainty, people are selling out today. However, we do have a flight tomorrow, but don't expect a pop. This is now do or die. You either believe in the long-term plan and you buy it now. I'm not adding any more right now. This is a very dangerous time to add more because at the end of the day, I've got an average and I can share with you, I've got 1,165 shares at 357, enough to reach my target when it goes up $10, $20 and up to $100 long term. Not because it's worth that, because it can trade there. So I'm holding my position. I always said that just because it goes down to 150 or 1 doesn't mean I'm going to buy it. Because if it goes down that low, chances are it'll go bankrupt. And remember, if it gets much lower, it's going to have to reverse split. And that would be curtains for Virgin Galactic if that is done. And obviously we're not there yet, but we're getting closer day by day. And then once we dilute, we could be very, very close to that number. So it is a concern right now, but I'm holding my position. What are you doing? And once again, I will give you all those links, the link to the live event tomorrow, also to my X account, formerly known as Twitter. I've got polls running on Virgin Galactic as well. If you click over here, you'll find the flight and our big giveaway tomorrow. Live on the show, we're giving away our biggest ever cash prize, $204. You can buy a lot of Virgin Galactic with that. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.